Episode 52, The Big Bing Search Comeback.
The AI6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
When is the last time you thought about optimizing your website for Bing? In today's episode, I'm talking about Bing's possible big search comeback. Hello and welcome to the AI6 Podcast, where I teach you about AI in just 6 minutes a day and on a Saturday broadcast the long listen with an individual knee-deep in AI experimentation or practice. While Google still dominates traditional search, Microsoft's Bing is quietly shaping how platforms like ChatGPT interact with the internet in real time. So why has Bing become a significant player in AI search? Well, in early 2023, Microsoft unveiled an AI-enhanced version of Bing, incorporating OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 language model. Effectively, it enhances AI-powered search across Microsoft's platforms. This integration introduced a chatbot feature initially known as Bing Chat and later rebranded as what we know now as Copilot, enabling users to engage in conversational queries, receive comprehensive answers, and perform tasks such as drafting content and making recommendations based on what we input. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella says, "Inches matter," referencing Bing's competition with Google Search. Marketers, the bottom line here is Bing is now the default search engine for OpenAI's ChatGPT, enabling more timely and up-to-date answers. Bing and OpenAI are growing the AI plugins ecosystem, allowing developers to build plugins that work across multiple platforms. Microsoft is integrating Bing Chat capabilities across Windows 11 apps. What we as marketers must realize is that ChatGPT search functionality leans heavily on Bing's indexing system. If a website isn't picked up by Bing, it simply won't appear in results ChatGPT serves. So in effect, Bing is a core data source for conversational AI. And it's not just about visibility. A recent study showed that 87% of the links ChatGPT cites align with Bing's top organic search results. That means if you're a marketer, a content creator, or a communications lead, optimizing for Bing isn't just a nice to have, it's becoming central to discoverability on AI platforms.
We are thrilled about the success they're having. Their partnership with Apple, guess what? That's all incremental for even us because it's all running on Azure. And more importantly, we are giving them the Bing index and powering ChatGPT search using our APIs. So overall, I'm thrilled about their progress, and it's a place where inches matter, and I'm good with the progress we're making.
And Microsoft's integration runs deep. With Bing being the default search engine within ChatGPT, it means it's powering the ability to give real-time answers, cite sources, and let users explore links without ever leaving a chat. Before, we would click on a link in Google's search engine result pages, leave Google's search results page, and then go to the website in question. Whereas now we're staying within the app. The same is true of Perplexity if you're using it as a search engine. So from an SEO perspective, sites that rank well on Bing are more likely to be referenced in AI-generated responses. While the ranking algorithms aren't identical, understanding how Bing evaluates content gives you a better shot at being surfaced in this new era of search. And the bigger picture, well, it's all part of the Microsoft OpenAI partnership. It strengthens Bing's position in an AI-first world where search is no longer about typing in keywords. Search is about asking real questions, getting nuanced, conversational answers. So, I know the question that you have right now, Joanne, how do we rank our websites for Bing? Well, at this point, I'm going to hand it over to Joss Morani. And here's his TikTok video, which answers the question.
This is how you can get your website indexed on the ChatGPT search results. More and more people are starting to search for things on ChatGPT. In order for your website to be found by ChatGPT, you have to be indexed by Bing. Bing is the search engine for Microsoft, and Microsoft have an interest in ChatGPT through OpenAI. This is the quickest and easiest way to get your website indexed by Bing, and it costs you absolutely nothing. In Google, search for Bing Webmaster Tools. You have to sign up, and once you have, click on Add a Site. There are two ways to add your website on Bing Webmaster Tools. The first one is doing it manually, but the second one, which is so quick and easy, is by importing your sites from Google Search Console. Click on Import Sites from Search Console, then look for your website and add that website. It's going to ask you to approve one or two things. Just do that. And then after a few seconds, your website is now going to be in Bing Webmaster Tools.
So is your website Bing ready? I mean, Bing might have fallen out of favor with marketers, but right now it's sitting at the center of one of the biggest shifts in how we find and interact with content online. In short, Bing is back, and we as marketers better take notice and take action to ensure our and our clients' websites are adequately optimized for GPT search.
The AI6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
And if you're ready to upskill, check out my professional diploma in AI for marketers. Use the code AI610 for an exclusive discount. You can also hire me for an in-company workshop. I'm Joanne Sweeney, and this is the AI6 Podcast. I'll talk to you on the next show.